Hello guys, in this video you're going to learn exactly how to download and create a playlist on Spotify on your Mac device, or in this case I'm using a MacBook right here. So what you want to do is basically open up Spotify. In my case it's in the dock right down here. Open up Spotify, it's going to launch the app, and this is the home page on desktop or Mac. You want to go to the top left, your library, and there's this button right here, create playlist or folder. Hit that. The very top option that it gives you, create a new playlist, select that, and this is your new playlist right here. Although my playlist 81 is not the best name, so I'm going to go into here, hit this button and start renaming the playlist. I'm going to call it playlist example, and from here you can actually go there and select a new photo for your playlist. If you want to have a dedicated photo, you can add a description. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hit save, and the name of your playlist should be renamed. From there, what you can do is basically go down to the middle section, let's find something for your playlist, and start typing in, let's say, Travis, and go to the artist, and this is where you can start adding songs to the playlist. And it's with this button on the right hand side of the song, it says add. I'm going to add a bunch of different random songs. So I've got 5 songs in the playlist right now. I'm going to hit X out of there, and basically from there Spotify is going to do something very, very cool and give you a bunch of recommended songs that match the sort of similarness of the songs within your playlist. You want to go to basically, if you want to add any of these songs to your playlist, you can do the exact same thing and press the add button and start adding some random songs to the playlist. Okay, now we've got even more songs in the playlist, and this button right here will play each individual, start playing the playlist, and you can go in here and start listening to all the songs. I have my volume turned right the way down because I do not want a copyright strike, but if you did have your volume up, you would start hearing the songs, and then from there you can go to the next or back button and play whichever song you want next, as you can see right here. However, if you press this button, the shuffle button, select shuffle, this will start playing the song next in a very, very different order from the numbered order that you've set up. So I'll show you right here. It goes to sing, I'll go to number 7, number 6, number 2, and it just creates a different order of the songs next in the playlist. From there you can go to pause or play, stop the music. The next buttons that are interesting is this download one right here. Click that and it's going to download all of the songs within your playlist. You can see all the download button sort of symbol on each of the songs. That means that the song has been downloaded to your device, so that you do not need an actual internet connection to play these songs in the future. They will be downloaded on the device. Other buttons in the playlist invite collaborators to come into the playlist and start adding songs, or this one right here, the 3 different dots. Hit that and you've got so many more different options. You can edit the details, you can delete, make the playlist private, move the playlist to a folder, do whatever you would like in there. So guys, another thing that would be very, very useful, let's say that you're listening to a random playlist, my Discover Weekly right here, maybe this very first one, Called Out in the Dark by Snow Patrol, I really, really like, I'm listening to it, and then I say I want to add this song to my playlist. How would I do that? You're going to go in here on the 3 little buttons, the 3 little dots. First option, add to playlist, and you can scroll up and find the individual playlist that you want to add the song to. In this case, we're using the playlist example. Hit that, and the song is now downloaded and added to the playlist. You can come and check by going to your playlist on the left hand side, scrolling all the way down. Called Out in the Dark is right here. Okay, so Guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If you've enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. My name's Andrew, and thanks very much.